Yo, welcome back to another video. My name is Ryan. I own a clothing brand called NewBara, and I'm about to show you everything that just came in. Like, this literally looks like a whole color palette right here. It's actually insane. But yeah, we had like 10 boxes come in this morning and like 6 boxes come in yesterday. So we have a whole lot of inventory. There's literally 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and that's not even all of them, because look, the brown isn't even all the way full. All we have is small and mediums right now. So we're missing a whole nother box of inventory, because I even checked and it's not even mixed in with like the black or nothing. So I don't know what happened. We've also, like, this isn't even all of it, there was more, but I've already shipped out, like I've already packed up this whole box. There's 2 boxes packed up over there, and then I dropped off 3 boxes already. So how many? That's 6 boxes. So I literally already took half of the inventory that we initially had. Or I already took everything we got in yesterday basically and dropped that off. But yeah, so now we have literally all these. But right now I got on this orange colorway. About to show you what that looks like. Little boom boom in the little try on in the kitchen. I gotta move this down, I guess. So look, boom, got that orange on. Don't pay attention to none of that. But look, boom, hit the back, stand on business. Got the hood, nice hood. Like, I love the fit. I'm wearing a medium. I usually go for a small, but I decided I'm gonna start doing medium. But yeah, right now I'm packing up these other store orders. Like I said, I've already packed up some, but I still gotta finish the rest. Like, here's all that stuff. I'm not gonna show you too much, but yeah, just so you know it's there. My cat's going absolutely crazy right now. But yeah, I'm gonna finish packing that stuff up, and then I'll try on the rest of the stuff for you in a minute. All right, boom. So look, I'm about to try on all 7 colorways. All right, so I just got on these Fabletics black pants, NewBara socks, and a little NewBara tee on the top. We might still have a few of these drive-in tees left. We did drop them a minute ago, but anything that we might still have might be on the website. And yes, I'm about to be doing video on iPhone 2. All right, the time you've all been waiting for, the try on all, is here. I'm about to try on all 7 colors. Remember, we have University Blue, which is the one I'm wearing right now, which is absolutely probably my top 3 out of these, but I don't know, I really like them all. I like all the colors, but this blue with like the white on it is just super nice. But yeah, look, so we got University Blue, we got the orange, we got brown, we got black, we got like a sunfade yellow, we got a royal blue, and we got like a gemmed red. So which color should we try next? I think it's gonna have to be I think I'm gonna go with yellow or black. Let's see. Had to go yellow on them. This yellow is super nice. It's probably another one of my favorites. Like I said before, I really like them all. I don't know, it's hard to pick a favorite when all of the colors just actually look good. But yeah, nah, this is another good one for sure. I think it'll do good. And this sunfade yellow has been in. I've definitely seen some other brands kind of doing the same colorway, so I think we're definitely on the right path. But yeah, next up we're gonna try the brown. So this isn't exactly the brown that I was looking for, but the brown that I wanted, they ran out of that fabric color or something, I don't know. So here we are. We have a little bit of a lighter brown, which is still really nice, and you can really see the white lettering on top of it. It does look good, and I think people will definitely like these, especially on like the West Coast. I feel like this is more of a West Coast type of brown. I mean, if you're on the West Coast and you think I'm wrong, let me know what you think. But also, let me know what your favorite color is out of the 7 in the comments down below. I need to know which is the best color. Which color are you grabbing when these drop? These are dropping on whatever the date is. It's going to be on the screen right here. So yeah, whatever date these are dropping, you better grab one. Early access is going to be on Friday, from 2 weeks from when I'm filming this. So yeah, make sure you sign up for early access, email, SMS, all that good stuff. That way you are getting early access and are getting to get your hands on NewBara before anyone else. Insider exclusives, honestly, is what you're getting. Boom, baby. And here we are with the black and white, which is honestly has to be number one, because like black and white, you can't go wrong with it. It's literally matching anything. Maybe not these faded black nylon pants, but hey, if you don't already know, you get free shipping on 75 or more on the website. So anything you go grab on the website now or even later is free shipping on 75 or more, which is a really good deal because 75 is not that hard to obtain, especially in today's economy. So go grab something, NewBara.online. But look, these pockets are perfect sizing, like literally perfect sizing, 2 hands in. You can fit like everything in here. It's not gonna like weigh down too much. Like these hoodies are made right. They're not too long. They are a little like, if you raise your sleeve up, they might be a little cropped or whatever you're gonna call it. But that's just because we don't want them like too long and too baggy. And we want to give you enough room in your arms. So yeah, but it might be a little bit whenever you raise your arms up, but keeping them down, you know, just like general motion, you should be fine. And second to last, we got the royal blue on white, or white on top of the royal blue, which is like super clean. I really hope y'all can see this. I just put my arms out. Hopefully the text will like show all in one. But yeah, look, this one's crazy nice. Like the colorway is amazing. I'm not even like that big of a fan of blue. I'm more of a red personally, but I do like this blue a lot. And like I said, it has all the same great features as every other colorway. The inside is super nice. Let me see if I can, like, mad comfortable. These are 400 GSM, so nothing too heavy, nothing too light. You're gonna stay warm, you're gonna stay comfortable, stay stylish, all the good stuff. This hoodie is not gonna shrink on you. And last but not least, we have our gem red, which actually looks really bright on the camera from this angle, but it's a good red. It's a little bit deeper, darker red. Definitely gives you that color pop. People will definitely see you whenever you're coming. Yeah, no, this is probably one of my top ones as well. I'm not gonna lie to you. All 7 colors are absolutely insane. They're super comfortable, super perfect fit, like everything that you could ever ask for in a hoodie. Like I'm telling you, when we make something that way you will love it. You will want to have 10 of them, and you will want to have all 7 colors, because they're actually that good of a hoodie. Good quality, perfect fit every time. So what we do, I mean, I'm not trying to brag or nothing, but we try to make sure we take all the right precautions to get you exactly what you want whenever you are buying clothes. We know that clothes can be expensive, so we're trying to give you exactly what you want for the price you pay for. But yeah, look, let me know what y'all's favorite color was. All 7 colors. Drop your favorite down below, and I'm gonna be giving one away to one lucky person. So drop your size. If you made it this far in the video, drop your size down below with your Instagram @ and I'll be reaching out to one of you to ship you a hoodie. Yeah, other than that, leave a like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.